What's the meaning of coal? Coal. Coal.
Coal. Coal. Coal is a black or dark brown sedimentary rock that is formed from the decayed remains of plants over millions of years. It is primarily composed of carbon, with small amounts of hydrogen, sulfur, and other elements. Coal is used as a fuel source for industrial processes such as electricity generation, steel production, and cement manufacturing. It is also used in households for heating and cooking. However, burning coal releases large amounts of carbon dioxide and other pollutants, contributing to climate change and air pollution, and efforts are being made to transition to cleaner energy sources.